Guys, let me tell you what I'm going to open up today. I have a Buzz Lightyear Play-Doh surprise egg filled with toys, and I have some blind boxes, and I have some Mashems. So let's begin, okay? I'll start with the blind box here. Right here is the Disney Vinyl Figure Series 2 Mystery Mini, and this is a special. It's a Comic-Con, San Diego Comic-Con exclusive. What are the odds? They have a possibility of 12 different characters, and it's a chance of 1 in 12 in each. So let's open it up and see what's in here, okay? I get my scissors and see who's in here. Okay, here we go. We have in here, let's see what it is. It is, hey, it's Buzz Lightyear. To infinity and beyond. Buzz Lightyear. Can we get a better shot at Buzz Lightyear? Let's see. Yeah, I think that's better. There's Buzz. Wow, okay. Nice. Sweet. Okay, let's go on now to, I think I want to go on to a Mashem now. That's great. Okay. And there's a possibility of 6 characters. This is a Disney Pixar Mashems. And we'll see who we get. Wouldn't it be nice if... yeah, Buzz is here. Yeah, let's see. Maybe we'll really be lucky. That'd be great. Okay. Okay, we have Wazowski. Here we are, and he is very, very, very squishy. You can even see the water in his eye. Wazowski. He's from Monsters, Inc. and Monsters University. Let's go on to another Mashem. Let's see if I can open it. Buzz Lightyear. Okay, ow. I think this is the strip here. This not. Ow. Okay, let me get my scissors. There. Didn't do it either. Torture. Let me try again. There. Sometimes it's so easy to get these strips open, and then at other times I can't find it. Okay, so okay, let's get it from the bottom. Okie dokie. Can't believe this. There. Okay, for sure this time. Here we go. Taking it off, and we'll see who's inside. It is, I do not have, this is Mike, right? Sully, I think I do have Sully. Okay, this is Sully, and he's from Monsters, Inc. too. And he's very squishy, very squishy. Okay, why don't we do the boxes? Let's do this box. This is Heroes versus Villains. And there's a possibility of 12 characters, and the odds are the same for any of them. Let's open it up and see which one we get. Sounds a little heavy. Let's see who it is in here. We have Okay, we have Hopper, the bad guy, the villain from Bug's Life. Yeah, he was making them work and taking their food. Hopper. Here he is. Let's turn this villain around. There he is. Grasshopper, I think. Okay, there's the box. Let's open up the box. This is another box. This is superheroes. A DC Comics superheroes box. And it's a possibility of 17 different characters. And they have different odds. Some of them are rare and others are quite common. So let's see who we get in this one. Let's see who we have. We hope I can identify who it is. Let's see. I feel a big head in here. Let's see. It is... Oh, it's Green Lantern. Let me see what the odds are. Green Lantern. He's 1 in 12, so he's common. Here he is, Green Lantern. Okay, now we're going to open up Buzz. See what he has inside of him. Bring him over and take him apart. We could take off some of them. Oh, his eye came off. Is this eye going to come off? I always have a hard time taking up. Okay, his eye came off. His nose is coming off. His mouth is coming off. Well, let's go for the side now and open him up. Let's see what we have here. You can see that he has quite a bit of toys in him. Let's see. I'll tell you what we have inside. Okay, we have Minion Surprise, SpongeBob SquarePants, Star Wars, My Little Pony, and Transformers. Very different ones, right? Okay, why don't we start with My Little Pony? Why not? My Little Pony, this is the Cutie Mark Magic Collection. Possibility of 24 different ponies that we can get. Let's open up and see which pony we get. Okay, I think this looks like Twilight Sparkle. Let's see who it is. Princess Twilight Sparkle, it says. It says she loves learning with friends. And here she is. And this is they have 2 Twilight Sparkles in here. And this is the one where her cutie mark is up and down side of her body instead of just one part. Okay. Where it belongs. There she is. Is that the best we can do? I always want the best. Let's see if I can do better. Let's see. This is the best. It's a beautiful picture. Okay, so here she is. Princess Twilight Sparkle. Let's go on to another bag. I have here Transformers. I haven't opened one of these up. It says there's a possibility, I think, of 12 different characters. Robots in the skies. Let's open it up and see which one we get. It comes with a card. What is this? Oh, okay. Repugnus. That's who we have. Okay, here it is. Repugnus, it says. Repugnus. And I don't know what he transforms into, but here he is. Repugnus. Okay. Let's go on to... Card didn't say anything. Okay, I have a Star Wars. This is Series 1. It's Micro Machines, Star Wars Micro Machines. It's a possibility of 12 different machines, I guess. Let's open it up and see which one we have. Oh, is it tiny or what? Whoa. This is tiny. Oh. Oh my goodness, does it say anything? Well, this is it. Hope you can see it. Wow, look at it. Micro, you need a micro. Wow, okay. Can you see that? That's the Star Wars Micro Machines. Okay, now we're going to go on to Minions. Minion Surprise. There's a possibility of, I think it's 15 different characters. And this is, they don't have more than one series, so we'll open it up and see which one we get, okay? Okay, we have here, which one is it? Right here with the, he has, where is he? Right here. It is, oh, nothing special. It's just Stuart. Okay, Stuart with his one eye. There he is. Okay, and now we're on to our last blind bag, and it's SpongeBob SquarePants. This is Series 3. The other ones I've opened, they've been, I think, Series 2. So we'll open up, and there's a possibility of, I think it's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a possible special one. So let's open it up and see which one we have, okay? This has to be put together, and I think you guys know that I have a problem in that area, but we'll see. Maybe this will be easy. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's Patrick again. And let's see, is it different this time? Since this is a different series. Okay, well, I'll look at the instructions and follow it carefully and put him together. Where is he? He's not here. Okay, well, let me put him together. Here's his head. Put his head into his body. Okay. Have his head in. Put his little pants on. Put on one leg, then the other leg. Where's the leg? Here, his foot. There. One leg. The other leg. There he is. Pop his arm in. There's one arm. The other arm. Here we go with the other arm. Okie dokie. There he is. Put him on top of his little stand where he has the top of his head. Don't want to forget that, do we? There's the top of his little head. Here it is. There. Top of his head. And he comes with a little banana. I guess he's eating a banana. Put that in his... Wait. Put the banana in his hand. Put him on his stand. And here's Patrick completed. There he is. And that's it, guys. That's all I have to open today. So I will lay them out and show you what we opened up, okay? Hold on. Well, guys, here's what we opened up today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching my video. Bye.